Update, look what we just caught. Oh, he snapped me. Look at this. Beautiful, guys. Look at the size of that. Beautiful guy. And look, he has my lure still, but we're gonna get that bitch back.
What is this? He has some sort of infection on his side, look. He has an infection right there.
Wait, give me the flashlight.
Look at that.
That's what South Florida is about, guys. Beautiful butterfly peacock bass. Caught on a crappie jig.
Let me see that little infection thingy he got there. I don't know what that is.
But yeah, guys, welcome back to another video. Quick pick.
Yes, sir.